How to stop pop-ups in Google Chrome. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Google Chrome and then click on the three dots at the top right of the screen. Then click on Settings. And here you need to scroll down to the Advanced section, and from there click on Site Settings. Here you need to scroll down and search for pop-ups and redirects. Click on it, and as you can see, the pop-ups is turned on. So all what you need to do in order to turn it off is to click on the toggle next to it to turn it off. And as you can see, Google Chrome here tells you that this will block sites from showing pop-ups and redirects, and it tells you that it's recommended. So that was it for this video. That's how you can deactivate or stop or remove pop-ups from Google Chrome. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.